Children, welcome back. This is a past-based revision class for lesson number 4, My Home, page number 20. In the previous classes, we discussed about various rooms of a home like drawing room, bedroom and bathroom. Today, we will talk about kitchen. Like all other classes, we will do multiple choice questions at the end of this session. You will have to choose the correct option out of the 4 given options. This is a kitchen. Kitchen is a place where we cook food. We all like to eat yummy dishes. Your mother cooks breakfast, lunch and dinner for you in the kitchen using various equipments and utensils. We will learn about the things that we use in the kitchen. This is a gas stove. ਇਹ ਗੈਸ ਵਾਲਾ ਚੁੱਲ੍ਹਾ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਤੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। We cook food on it. We can warm, heat or boil milk and other food items by placing the utensil on the gas stove. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਗਰਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਖਾਣਾ ਗਰਮ ਕਰਨ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਟਾਣੂ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ। This is a refrigerator. ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਫ੍ਰਿਜ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਖਾਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਠੰਡਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਜਲਦੀ ਖਰਾਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ। It helps to keep the food fresh for longer. This is a mixer. Mixer is a kitchen device that mixes and blends the things. Mixer ਵਿੱਚ ਖਾਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਪੀਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਹ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਹੈ। This is a kitchen sink where we wash the vegetables, fruits and also utensils after we cook and eat food in them. ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਬਜ਼ੀਆਂ, ਫਲ ਅਤੇ ਬਰਤਨ ਧੋਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। Now let's do some PAS based questions. Question number 1. Where do we cook food? The options are kitchen, drawing room, bedroom, bathroom. ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਪਕਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ? We cook food in the kitchen. So you have to put a tick on the first option, kitchen. Question number 2. What is shown in the picture? ਇਸ picture ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ? The options are mixer, microwave oven, refrigerator, utensil. A mixer is shown in this picture. So you have to put a tick on the first option, mixer. Third question is, where do we keep the food cool? ਅਸੀਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਠੰਡਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ? Options are mixer, microwave oven, refrigerator, gas stove. We keep the food cool in a refrigerator. So you have to put a tick on the third option, refrigerator. The last question is, what is shown in this picture? इस picture ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ? The options are mixer, microwave oven, refrigerator, gas stove. We can see a gas stove in this picture. So you have to put a tick on the fourth option, gas stove. Thank you.